Geraldo, who owned a lot of the property that bordered the volcano, took me to his own personal sulfuric mud bath for an interesting experience. So, what's the Spanish word for mud?
Barro.
Barro. Vapor and barro. Whoa, this is amazing. How hot is this?
More than 100 degrees. It's
About 100
boiling.
degrees, so you're... Oh, look at this. Isn't that fantastic? So, well, it's actually, oh, it is hot. That's incredible. It's just like, it's like a cream.
Yeah, it's a cream.
Okay, so we're gonna put this on ourselves. So has anyone fallen into here yet?
Sometimes one girl fell down and it was terrible.
Fell down and she blistered her legs? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Actually, this does feel nice. Look at that. It's just so smooth. That's fantastic. Okay, so do you put it everywhere?
Yeah, everywhere.
Everywhere.
On the body.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna do this. Oh, actually, it feels like a mud bath. Thank you. How about if I do you?
Oh,
You're not gonna let me do you? 2 cheeks. No, okay, I promise I won't. I suppose I'm the tourist. I get to do this.
no.
Okay, so you want me to do my hair too?
Yeah.
Okay. Just all over. Just put it in, eh? Oh my God. Oh, this better be good for my hair. Tastes bad. I feel like a princess.
Yeah.
Thank you. Dive in?
No,
Yep.
slowly.
Oh, there's steps here. Oh, that's great.
You can sit here.
Oh.
You need more.
I think I'm gonna need to bathe for a week. Oh no, freezing cold.
A little bit.